Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kikonyala. So I want to do learn with blue in video form, and I thought this should be on public just to help someone else who also wonders what to post on your social platform, or what gets you viewers or subscribers or whatnot. So first things first, it's content. And what is content creation? Content creation is the process of generating topic ideas and appealing written or visual media for your buyer persona, or this can be your audience. Buyer persona is just if you're selling products or you're selling something on your platform, so that's your buyer persona. You're going to have to create a targeted persona of the person you're going to sell something to. This content should be easily accessible to your customers as a video, blog, infographic, or other content format that they digest or they consume. Now, is content creation helpful online? And it is helpful online for any business, online and offline, that is, because this year you will definitely provide major value for your company by providing useful information and helping you attract potential customers and also retain existing ones through quality content, as the following marketing statistics show on the current feature possibility. Now, this is referenced from the HubSpot.com, which says almost 40% of marketers say content marketing is an essential part of their marketing strategy. 81% say their company sees content as a business strategy. B2B, that is business to business, marketers have data that shows content marketing is a successful tool for nurturing leads, 60% generating revenue, and 51% in building an audience, and subscriptions 47%. And 10% of marketers who blog say it generates the biggest return on investments. Now, in building an audience or subscribers, this is your fans. These are your people who love you. They're fantastic. They're fanatics. They're fanatics of your brand. And so, content creation is key. Is king because it is very often used in conjunction with content marketing and SEO. It amplifies that unique, high quality, interesting, and relevant content contributes significantly to the success of companies on the internet. This is referenced from textbroker.com. Now, you've seen the stats. Content creation definitely equals business growth on your social media platforms, depending on the types of content you choose to put out or create consistently on blogs, videos, or podcasts for this year. The key word is content, consistency, and being committed. Dedicate yourself to your platforms so that you can have amazing growth in your businesses and in your social media platforms as creators as well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Until next time, bye.